Hello, you guys. Today I'm gonna be posting a lot, I guess, cause yeah. So yeah, today we're going to supermarket, but only buying. What should I do? What about? What about? Green foods. Yeah, that okay. It's green foods. Green. Let's go for green food. Okay. I have no idea if these guys count as green, but I think they do. Okay. More coin and oh, I'm broke. Oh. Oh, guess this is all we can afford right now. Oh god. Okay, let's go. Okay, this first. Ice cream is kind of my favorite ASMR, guys. Okay, guys. Now time for the last one. Wait, that crunch was amazing. Oh my god. Well, that's it for today's video. Sorry if it was short. Wait, who am I kidding? Of course it was short. Anyway, as I said, I'll be posting every day for now. I don't know when I'll change the schedule, but okay, bye-bye, my demons. Hope you have an amazing day.